Belize is a melting pot of cultures, so unique, so varied, and so enchanting. Take a journey with us as we travel through the jewel. This is our Belize, our people, food, and culture. Let us explore the authentic flavors of the Kriol culture, from trying traditional fire hot rice and beans and local wines to preparing two of the must-try desserts while in Belize, coconut tart and sweet potato pong. Welcome to Flowers Bank, better known as
Flowers Bank, no sir?
Flowers Bank, the home of Kriol culture and people. And today I'm with Miss Dorla Rhaburn, better known as Rhaburn in English. And we're gonna be making sweet potato pudding and coconut tart. But what we call coconut tart and potato pudding. Thank you for having me, darling. So what will you make?
Potato pudding.
Potato pudding. And they call it potato pong too, true?
Yeah.
So what do we need to make potato pong?
Well, we need some sweet potato. And we need ginger, sugar, milk, essence. And I will show you how I do the potato pudding.
Yes, please.
I will wash the potato. Yes.
Okay.
I use this better.
So I have some water. Now then potato grow right in the village?
Yeah. Right here in the village.
So we wash the sweet potato. It can't work with any other potato. It has to be sweet potato.
Yeah.
Question, you think they could do that with cassava?
Yes, you could.
And that would be called a cassava pudding or cassava pong, or what we call plastic pudding.
Yes.
So how did you learn how to make this, ma'am?
I learned this from my mother.
Yes. You born and grow here?
Yes, born and grow here.
It's a wonderful community, true? Peaceful.
Oh, yes.
All right. We peel the sweet potatoes.
Yeah.
And then from there, what do we do?
Yeah, grate it.
Grate it. All right, so you peel the potato. Then what you do next?
I will grate it now.
Okay. When you were young, what kind of music you listen to back here? They no broke down? They no Mr. Peters? They no Sambai?
No. We used to have a whole culture band.
Culture band? You need culture band?
Yep. We had a whole culture band. Where we have the grater. You have the man
That's an
with
instrument.
Yep. Yeah. This grater right here with your fork. This is our own music. And then we used to have the man there with the horse jawbone.
The jawbone.
And a white bucket, one guitar, and one banjo. And we used to beat Peters.
And pine battle.
Yes.
Scallops.
We got some show that Belize one time, and we boom and try and beat Peters.
So if you never know, the Mr. Peters is a famous artist out of the River Valley.
Yeah.
Because this area is called the River Valley of Belize, the home of the Kriol, right? You proud to be a Kriol?
Of course. Of course. I'm proud to be a Kriol.
Yes. Love it. Okay, so you have the sweet potato, done great.
And now I'll do the ginger.
Ginger.
Piece of ginger.
With the skin on?
Yep.
You don't have to peel it?
Nope. You're wasting it.
Smells good.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. We finished the ginger.
Okay, so the ginger. So what do? You have the batter here now.
Yes. So I'll throw a little bit of water on it.
Turn it upside down now. Okay, a lot of water you put, I never know.
Yes, you have to make the pudding moist.
Okay. All right, so you put water, ginger.
Sugar.
Okay, sugar, brown sugar, preferably.
Yep. Vanilla.
That sounds nice so far. So, sweet potato, ginger, brown sugar,
Vanilla. Use butter. All right. And now mix this up. Now put in the carnation milk.
Put in nutmeg, okay?
Condensed milk.
What is this?
This is carnation milk.
Carnation, better known as evaporated milk. So you put water, evaporated milk, And condensed milk.
Yep. Because remember now, you have to cook the potato. So if you don't have enough water or enough juice to cook it, then it might end up dry.
It looks rich.
Now this is a condensed milk.
Five pound of potato, 1 can of
We'll
evaporated.
do 2.
2 cans of condensed?
Yep, we'll do 2.
Can I do one?
Of course.
Now do you put spices in this? Like cinnamon or nutmeg?
Yep.
You want to scrape that?
Yep, cinnamon and nutmeg. Spice it up.
Spice it up.
Yeah.
Sounds nice. And then you cook it on a
And it will be nice.
cook it
You
on
only
fire
saw-
hard though.
Yep.
We not put nutmeg yet.
Yeah.
Can you put some nutmeg? Beautiful, mom. Nothing is nicer than the smell of nutmeg and cinnamon. These things are like,
Real spice.
it's spice. It reminds us of home, like Christmas. It reminds,
Right,
you know, it
right.
reminds of Easter.
Yep.
True? So then what you do, stir this now, mix it
Yeah.
up.
Yep. And then from here we take it to the fire hearth.
Really? This is done?
Yep, on the fire hearth.
Okay. So we left this on the corner, and you know, I really want to learn the next dish, you know.
All right.
Coconut tart.
Tart.
Better known as coconut tarts.
Okay.
You want to show me if I make that?
Yes, I got one friend over there. We're good on coconut tart.
Who's that?
Miss
Your
Sharon.
neighbor?
Yes.
Hello, man.
Sharon!
Sorry.
Go help me, man.
Miss Sharon. So, you want to make coconut tart for you, right? Yes, talk to me. What is she doing?
Sharon is grating the coconut. And then after that, then she will cook that coconut.
Cook it.
Yeah, you
With
put
what?
it on the fire. And then you cook it with a little bit of sugar and condensed milk.
So the same things like what we put in the sweet potato
That's
pudding.
right.
Condensed
That's-
milk, sugar,
And
spices,
yep,
like
that's right.
nutmeg.
Nutmeg and essence and cinnamon stick.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
But then a tart, when I think about a tart, that's like in a pie shell or a flour shell.
Mm-hmm.
So you're gonna make that too?
Yep.
Okay. So I see you have your ingredients here. You wanna make that while she's doing the coconut?
Okay, no problem. Put the baking powder.
So you need baking powder. What
Yeah.
else you need? Tell me what you
Baking powder, shortening, a little bit of sugar.
need. Okay. Baking powder. Here we have some shortening and sugar. All right.
Yeah.
So I love what's happening here. We're like community working, right?
Yep.
All with a neighbor and friend.
Yep.
So flour, sugar,
Baking powder and shortening.
Okay, so we have a tart. I mean, usually we have tarts that is filled with fruit tart and pastry cream and stuff. But here in the village of Flowers Bank, any Kriol village, Belize on a whole, we have an abundance of coconut. So we put coconut in our tarts. All right, so we have the dough. Then what you do? You leave it to rest.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna put it to rest. Feels good. Smells so good. But guess what? We have the one that is already rested right here. Are you ready? So what do we do with this now?
We cook that. We have to cook that on the fire hearth.
Okay, so we're going on the fire hard. We're gonna cook it
Yep.
with some condensed.
Yep. And a little bit of brown sugar.
Okay, excellent. And then we make tarts. All right, do your thing now. So we're making the filling for the tart. Coconut,
Coconut,
nutmeg.
nutmeg, a little bit of essence, and a little bit of brown sugar and some condensed milk.
Nice. And then we cook it.
Yeah.
Beautiful. So we're put the brown sugar, put the condensed milk. How much?
Yes, half.
Half. Beautiful. It looks nice, darling. I love it. Nutmeg scent. Then you cook it, right?
Put it on the fire and cook it until the coconut is cooked. And leave it water in there.
Okay.
Make it cook.
Beautiful. Thanks. What now?
Now you take it to the fire hearth and we'll cook it.
Let's go. Wonderful. All right, so we went and we cooked the coconut, condensed milk, sugar, essence, nutmeg, yes? Beautiful. This is the batter now. So good. But you know, it's good yet. You know why?
Kind of don't cook.
If we go in the shell. All right, maybe we put it in the shell. So we have some shortening. We have all the pans here, all different sizes. Can you please show me how to make the tart? Okay, so you grease the pans first. You use some shortening. Go ahead.
Right there.
Please grease the pan. And I want to grease too. What for do? Show me.
Grease, grease.
So we don't grease the pans. We said grease the tart pan. And then now we put the dough.
Yep.
All right, can you please show me how to do that part?
So now we're putting the flour in the tart pan.
So just form it in there.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's why you have to grease it, right? So it doesn't stick. Nice. Time consuming, man. I see why you bring your neighbor.
Yes, man.
So, can we now fill them with the coconut?
Of course.
Please, can you show me how to do it? Can you fill that? Man, these are gorgeous, true?
Of course.
Beautiful, true? All right, so from here we need to bake them, right?
Yeah.
If this is a cookbook, I would put it in an oven at 350 degrees, but that's in a household and in a city, in a big city with lights. But we're in Flowers Bank. How will I bake this?
On the fire hearth.
But how do I put this in a fire hearth? I don't understand.
We have a big pot there, and then you set the tart in the pot, and then we make a big fire and put fire on the top and fire on the bottom.
And that's creating an oven, convection.
Exactly.
And here bake. This is the pot. All right, good. Okay. So we put the tarts in there.
Yep.
Show me how to do it. Just put them in.
Yep. Just like that.
Thank you so much. Good job, man.
You're
Look,
welcome.
welcome. Look, beautiful. So now we go to the.
Fire hearth.
We go to the.
Fire hearth.
And now where we going?
We go bake the tart on the fire hearth.
Very good. And the pudding.
That's right.
Let's go. Come, go now, man. That's what you said.
Yes, man. Let's go.
Let's go.
Or
Let's go.
Congo.
Follow me. Congo. You think you're ready?
Yes, man. You ready? Go there.
How long you think that day?
Oh, 15 minutes. Go. Go.
Oh my goodness.
Go. Go. Wow.
Why? Other cultures like Garifuna, so they don't do it like this, they just bake it. But I like cook it.
It's a whole day session.
Hey, I can't wait to taste this sweet potato pudding. You think it's ready?
Yes, man. You don't.
You think so? Go check. Ooh, I love the caramelization on top. Man, everything looks so delicious. Look at these tarts. I can't believe, really, this was cooked on a fire hearth. Look at the caramelization on top. Beautiful, true? You do this all the time?
All the time.
Oh my goodness. How that smell to you? You remind you of childhood?
Yes.
I
Yes.
love it.
Yes.
I love it. Be a part of Belizean culture.
Try a version at home, or better yet, come to Flowers Bank and experience
First
hand.
Ay, ay, ay.